This month we're highlighting Will Martin, the Director of Ops, Weldside. Let's see what the team members have to say about him.
The three words that describe Will: leadership, accountability, and reliability.
What I value about Will is the way he treats the team members that report to him, from the newest helper on the line to the most experienced group leader.
We appreciate Will at Diamond C for his 360 insight on processes and decisions. He's always calm. He offers some industry-specific ideas that help us with Diamond C. So thank you, Will.
He brings to the company a wealth of not only manufacturing, but trailer knowledge. And he's able to unite the three main weld lines at the main campus here, and to really focus on best practices and continuous improvement.
He's been guiding us through the ups and downs, and is always there, with us 100%.